Hey, how's it going? In this super quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can use a green screen on TikTok. Simply get on the TikTok app. You see I have the TikTok app up here. Click on the little create button in the bottom corner. Once you come to the live camera view like I have here, you can look around at the next few filters that are close by, because sometimes you're gonna have an option to put the green screen on right away. There'll be a green screen option there. But as you can see in my case, there's no green screen option. It's just a bunch of crazy filters. So where is it? Now I will say right away that I do recommend scrolling through all your filters, because you see for some reason my green screen option is here. It's towards the back of the options that's giving me for filters. Now if that doesn't apply to you and you don't actually see the green screen option in your filters, you can scroll all the way to the end here until you get to the search button. As you can see, I have it right here. And then you can go to the search effects and you can look up green screen. Simple as that. You'll see it's the top one right there, green screen. Once you got the green screen effect selected, make sure you click on the little save ribbon there, because then it will always appear in your saved section. So it'll always stay in the front of my effects once I go back to the create button the next time. So from here, you see I have the option to select a photo. I'm gonna select this really funny photo of my dog with his tongue out. That's nice. And now you're gonna see it's showing you that you can pinch and drag. Well, what's that for? Well, I can actually pinch and drag my face anywhere on the screen. I can put myself really tiny on top of Marvin's head. Lastly, you may notice here that there is black bars on the top and bottom of my photograph in the background here. Now the reason for that is because that when you take a photo on your iPhone or your Android, it actually uses a different aspect ratio than what is displayed on social media when it comes to Instagram or TikTok or something like that. You'll see here, if I go to this screenshot of something on my phone, it is now using the correct aspect ratio. So that's the difference. The camera sensor is a different aspect ratio than the actual display on the app. Now, hey, if you wanna get technical, you wanna make sure that it fits the whole screen, you can use an app like Darkroom. You see I have that app down below here, and you can actually change the aspect ratio of your photos so that they can fit better into the entire screen. But for the most part, it's not really gonna matter. Last thing to note is that yes, you cannot currently use videos for your background when it comes to a TikTok green screen. Maybe that's something that's gonna come in the future. I imagine it will at some point, but for now, it is a photo only situation. So there you have it, that's how you add a green screen to your TikTok. Thanks so much for watching. We got tons of great content coming your way all the time.